Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar. Usually you train artificial intelligence, but now artificial intelligence is coming to train you. Today I have 3 articles about artificial intelligence for training indeed. Karen Hale for Technology Review reports that experts worry about the direction the current rush in China to artificial intelligence in education is taking. 3 things have fueled China's AI education boom. The first is tax breaks and other incentives for AI ventures that improve anything. Second, academic competition in China is fierce. 10 million students a year take the college entrance exam, the GitUp2. Finally, thanks to the vast population who care less about privacy than in the West, Chinese entrepreneurs have masses of data at their disposal to train and refine their algorithms, and parents are big believers in the potential of technology. For example, Squirrel, one of the largest AI education companies in China, focuses on helping students score better on annual standardized tests, which taps straight into international GitUp2 anxiety. More than 80% of its students return year after year. However, Jota Treviranus, a professor at the Ontario College of Art and Design University, worries that Squirrel's education philosophy is representative of a broader flaw in China's pursuit of intelligent education, its emphasis on standardized learning and testing. The tragedy of the China experiments is that they taken the country to a point of education that any progressive pedagogue or education system is moving away from, she says. On the other hand, a Law 7, a K-12 edtech company with a mission of teaching English, ran by Pan Pengkai, a children's educational expert, provides an online learning platform meant to supplement a traditional classroom. Knowledge that can be exercised through adaptive learning, like vocabulary words, is practiced at home through the app. So are skills like pronunciation, which can be refined through speech recognition algorithms. But anything requiring creativity, like writing and conversation, is learned in the classroom. The teacher's contribution is vital, she says. Pan offers a parallel. There's lots of medical technology used in hospitals, but we can't say the machine is better than the doctors. It's still a doctor's assistant tool. Pan's ultimate vision for AI in education is to get rid of standardized tests entirely. The globeandmail.com from Canada reports that as part of a research project at McGill University, an AI system tracks surgeons' movements to determine their expertise at performing surgery in controlled environments. In particular, for example, the AI can evaluate a surgeon's dexterity in removing a vertebral brain tumor from a mannequin's head, according to a study published in the open source journal of the American Medical Association. The algorithm in Montreal is correct in determining whether the virtual surgeon is an expert, a beginner, or somewhere in between 90% of the time, based on a study of 250 simulated operations by 50 different people. The technology could have important applications for training and testing aspiring neurosurgeons, since it can evaluate their skills and give them tailored feedback on how to more closely match the movements of an expert. If you give the machines enough information about how the expert's hands move, they can determine what makes an expert, said Rolando Del Maestro, a neurosurgeon with more than 30 years of experience who was involved in the study. The latest research using machine learning is significant because it allows a user's level of skills to be classified in a relatively objective fashion. Until now, indeed, neurosurgery has been an apprenticeship model. In the future, once it's established that prowess in the simulator is tied to success in the operating room, these algorithms could test surgical residents before they become certified, Dr. Del Maestro suggested. PR Newswire recently reported that Korea-based artificial intelligence tutoring solution company Riiid secured $18 million fund through its Series C funding round. Riiid published the results of its research on its 101 AI tutoring deep learning technology in an academic journal and is currently providing independently developed artificial intelligence technology through its B2B main solution Center.Insight. Center.Insight can be easily used by any education company interested in using AI technology to provide educational services that transcend human capability. The solution allows companies to launch their own artificial intelligence educational service brands. In particular, Center.Toic is the first AI tutoring product that Riiid has developed as a test product based on Center.Insight, aiming to introduce the AI tutoring service concept to the Korean educational market. An AI tutoring service exclusively for TOEIC students that has already secured a cumulative total of 900,000 members. Center.Toic can predict a user score after he or she completes only 6 to 10 problems. It can also curate individually tailored problem and lecture banks in real time and design the most efficient learning patterns and schedules, explains PR Newswire. Riiid's analysis of the rate of increase of the TOEIC scores of Center.Toic users compared to the usage times shows that on average 20 hours of learning results in an increase of 124 points. TOEIC is definitely hard to pronounce. Okay, to learn further details about Riiid, you can watch AI funding rounds from AI Radar 47. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye.